Hey guys, what's going on? Back with some Marvel Collect. There's some prehistoric stuff in here, which I think is pretty cool, and an editor's choice. So I'm going to do those today. First, I'll claim the free stuff, like I usually mention. 2,000 and 5,000. And free box, Ant-Man, Hydro Man, Magneto, Black Cat, Venom, and a Vision. And I'm gonna do the Jessica Jones free editor's choice. Okay, what's today's card? Let me just look at it. Can I look at it? International Day of Friendship. Okay. That's what I kind of thought. I saw that on Twitter. Okay, so Prehistoric is the new set. There's a ton of them, so I'm actually gonna not preview it too much. Maybe afterwards, because that's gonna be a lot to go through. They're 3,000 each. I'm gonna start with 25, and that'll bring it down to 202. Jubilee, Scarlet Witch, and the one guaranteed, Moon Girl and Devil Dinosaur, Iron Fist, and War Machine. And the guaranteed is a common, so they're not going to be too valuable. America Chavez, white and red, duplicate, Valkyrie, and Vision. Next is Colossus, She-Hulk, Cable, Devil Dinosaur again, Ghost Rider, Dr. Octopus, Moon Girl and Devil Dinosaur, duplicate, Jessica Jones, Carnage, and Cyclops. Dagger, Captain Marvel, Venom, Ghost Rider, duplicate. That's what I'm kind of afraid of, but I usually do 25 anyway, so Ghost Rider, Cloak, Devil Dinosaur again, Scarlet Witch, and Medusa. And you're going to be able to use those to craft stuff, so it's not like you're necessarily wasting too much. You can craft the commons. So Magneto, Thanos, Devil Dinosaur, and a probably uncommon Devil Dinosaur with Hulk on top of him and a magic. Yep, uncommon. Next pack is Fing Fang Foom, Devil Dinosaur, Dagger, Black Panther, Dagger again, Deadpool, and our another uncommon, Kang, Wolverine, and our common. And our common, Devil Dinosaur. That's very awesome looking. Kang, Iron Man, Luke Cage, and Medusa. Think I'm gonna screenshot that one. Wait, does this show what you've just collected? It doesn't? Why does it? Never mind. Oh, it's gonna be too complicated. Oh, there it is. I don't know. It took a while to update. I'm actually gonna screenshot this one. I like it a lot. Probably gonna use it on the thumbnail. And okay, that's that. And go to some more packs. Juggernaut, Iron Fist, Storm. How funny, duplicate, and a Valkyrie. Hope Summers, Star-Lord, Spider-Woman, Devil Dinosaur, Dr. Octopus, Rocket, Moon Girl, Ms. Marvel, Rocket, Doctor Strange, Wasp, Loki, Luke Cage, Doctor Strange, Moon Girl, and Double Dinosaur. Pretty cool. And probably another common. Prehistoric Protectors, Iron Fist, Blade, Hawkeye, Hyperon. Let's see what that was. Super rare. Wow. Okay. I see you, Marvel. Pretty sweet. I thought that was. I wasn't even gonna click on it. I was like, oh, it's probably just another comment, but that's kind of awesome. Captain Marvel, Juggernaut, Blade, Old Lace, Cable. Ms. Marvel, Professor X, Daredevil, and our rare first one, Hawkeye. Prehistoric for real. I mean, that definitely looks prehistoric to me. Thor, Moon Girl and Double Dinosaur, Cable, Black Bolt, Groot, Magic, Moon Girl, Wolverine, and our other prehistoric, Venom this time it looks like. That's probably a uncommon, okay. And maybe got like 6 left, 7 left. Red Skull, Luke Cage, nice, another uncommon, or yeah, uncommon, and a Rocket. So those are doing pretty well. Storm, Ms. Marvel, Moon Girl, Spider-Man. I think the last one was Loki, maybe. Wasp, Havoc, Quicksilver, Groot, Old Lace. Pretty funny, cool name. And we got maybe like 3 left. Dr. Octopus, Cyclops, Moon Girl, Drax, and Drax again. Scarlet Witch, wow, another super rare. How awesome. Nice. Those are 1 in 75. That's crazy. Double Dinosaur, Elektra, and She-Hulk. Pretty sweet. So I'm pretty happy. Maybe I'll. That's the thing too. Like I always say, if it's pumping out some good stuff, I'm gonna maybe keep going. Jean Grey, Hercules, Valkyrie, Moon Girl, and another uncommon. Yep, another uncommon. Pretty sweet. So that was officially 25. I'll do another 5, because pretty awesome. Carnage, Professor X, Double Dinosaur, Iceman, Hawkeye. No, probably not a smart thing to do that, but it's giving me some nice hits, so I'm gonna keep going. Double Dinosaur, Cable, Sentry, Ghost Rider, Spider-Woman, and Hawkeye, Storm, Man-Thing, Dinosaur, Fing Fang Foom, Moon Girl, and another hit. Spider-Man, Doctor Strange, Ghost Rider, 6 uncommon, so that's pretty sweet. I think this is 28. Angel, Rocket, Hercules, Venom, Double Dinosaur, 29. Dagger, Gamora, Beast, Gamora, Double Dinosaur. Magic, Kingpin, Scarlet Witch, Old Lace, Deadpool, and one last one. Loki, Cyclops, Wasp, Moon Girl, Double Dinosaur, Professor X. So what I wanted to do real quickly is, these are probably epic ones. Let's check out what the epic ones look like. Oh, that's crazy. These are all amazing cards. That was pretty sick. These are kind of the same one, just kind of a green border. So I'm not gonna really, go too crazy. These are awesome. I didn't get any of these. I wonder if you have to do anything for these. That's pretty sick. Moon Knight, same thing, just kind of a different border. Sorry, I hate to speed through it like that, but there's so many cards. So I got, let's see, 2 super rares, 1 rare, and 6 uncommons. And I'm just gonna probably put in the title like 30 commons, because you pretty much get one every pack. 30 commons, 6 uncommons, 1 rare, 2 super rare. So that's pretty nice. What did I want to do? Okay, I wanted to actually screenshot the one that I got. There's that one, and then there's this one. Yeah, this one looks pretty nice. I'll go with this one too, maybe for the thumbnail instead, since it's a super rare. Or the one that I had before looked pretty nice too. The red one. It's a little bit brighter. I might actually go with that one instead. Here are some other ones. Yeah, I'll try and decide. Or this one here. Yeah, this might actually be a good one to use. Actually, it's a really good one to use. I think I'm gonna actually do that one. That's a pretty sweet cover. All right, I'll see you guys later.